In this video, we will explore the top 5 best electric cleaning brushes for 2026, designed to make household cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. From powerful motors to versatile brush heads and smart features, these tools can transform your cleaning routine. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 5. Multifunctional Electric Scrubber. The multifunctional electric scrubber is designed to handle whole house cleaning with a single device, combining cordless convenience with powerful performance. It features a dual-length design that easily switches between a short handheld mode and an extended handle, allowing you to clean everything from tight corners to high walls without strain. The built-in digital display clearly shows remaining battery life, helping you stay in control during longer cleaning sessions. This scrubber includes 7 specialized brush heads, each tailored for different surfaces. A flat brush works well on floors and tiles, while a small flat brush targets sinks and counters. The pointed brush reaches into seams and grooves, and the curved brush adapts to bathtubs and rounded edges. For delicate surfaces, the sponge and absorbent cloth brushes are ideal, while the fiber brush tackles stubborn grease on kitchenware. With 2 speed settings and a simple 1-button operation, it delivers efficient cleaning power without the need for manual scrubbing. The waterproof design adds durability, and the easy refill inlet allows cleaning solution to be added quickly for deeper results. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery rated at 2,600 mAh, it supports extended use on a single charge. Pros: versatile heads, strong cleaning power, long battery life. Cons: may feel bulky for prolonged handheld use. Number 4. Deerma Electric Cleaning Brush. The Deerma electric cleaning brush is built for efficient and versatile cleaning across your entire home and even car surfaces. Its multifunctional design allows different components to be assembled based on the task, making it suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, windows, and furniture. The cordless operation provides complete freedom of movement, so you are not limited by power outlets while cleaning larger areas. Equipped with specialized brush heads, this device easily tackles tough dirt on faucets, tiles, and other surfaces. The corner brush is particularly useful for reaching tight spaces and edges, ensuring a thorough clean. For higher or hard-to-reach areas, the main unit connects to an adjustable extension arm, allowing you to clean ceilings and tall cabinets without extra effort. The brush operates with a powerful yet low-noise motor, offering a comfortable cleaning experience. It includes a battery indicator that keeps you informed about power levels, and built-in discharge and blocking protection enhances safety during use. With a working time of up to 90 minutes, it provides enough runtime for extended cleaning sessions after a full charge. Designed with waterproof protection, it is safe for daily cleaning tasks, though it should not be submerged in water. The environmentally friendly ABS material ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight feel for easy handling. Pros: versatile usage, cordless convenience, long runtime. Cons: charging time is relatively long. Number 3. TITINSOL 11-in-1 Electric Brush. The TITINSOL 11-in-1 Electric Cleaning Brush is designed to deliver a smart and efficient cleaning experience with a combination of power and convenience. It operates through a rechargeable system using a modern charging port, making it easy to power up almost anywhere. With a rated voltage of 5 volts and optimized power output, it ensures consistent performance across various cleaning tasks. This device stands out with its built-in voice prompt feature, offering real-time audio feedback during operation. It also includes a clear power display and low battery warning, helping you monitor usage without interruptions. The adjustable handle enhances usability, allowing comfortable cleaning at different angles and heights. Equipped with 9 versatile brush heads, It adapts easily to multiple surfaces, such as kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, sinks, and even delicate areas. The powerful motor ensures deep cleaning while maintaining surface safety, effectively removing stains without causing damage. Two cleaning modes provide flexibility, letting you switch between lighter and more intensive cleaning based on your needs. The brush supports up to 90 minutes of working time on a full charge, with a charging time of around 3 to 4 hours. Its waterproof design makes it suitable for wet environments, while the low noise level ensures a quieter cleaning experience. The easy twist mechanism allows quick brush head replacement for seamless operation. Pros: smart features, strong motor, multiple brush heads. Cons: voice prompts may not appeal to all users. Number 2. Raugee Wireless Spin Scrubber. The Raugee Wireless Spin Scrubber is built for efficient and flexible cleaning across bathrooms, kitchens, and even car surfaces. It comes with 10 replaceable brush heads, each designed for specific tasks. Flat brushes handle floors and walls, while corner brushes reach grout and edges. Sponge and cloth brushes are ideal for dishes and windows, and additional heads allow polishing or waxing for car care. This scrubber features 3 adjustable speed levels, allowing you to match cleaning intensity based on the level of dirt. With speeds ranging from moderate to high rotation, it effectively removes stubborn stains while remaining safe on different surfaces. The adjustable handle offers 3 length options along with a flexible head angle, making it easier to clean high or hard to reach areas without bending or straining. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime after around 4 hours of charging. The modern charging interface ensures convenience, while built-in safety features help protect against overcharging. An integrated display shows battery status and speed settings clearly, and the added voice broadcast feature provides real-time updates during operation. A built-in light helps illuminate dark corners, improving visibility during cleaning. With its waterproof design, it is suitable for regular wet use, though the display section should be kept away from direct water exposure. Pros: multiple brush heads, adjustable speeds and lengths, smart display features. Cons: slightly complex setup for first-time users. Number 1. Tutupoonn Spin Scrubber. The Tutupoonn Spin Scrubber is a versatile electric cleaning tool designed to simplify deep cleaning tasks across your home. Built with a wireless design, it allows unrestricted movement, making it easier to clean kitchens, bathrooms, furniture, and even car interiors without hassle. Its adjustable extension handle reduces the need to bend, helping minimize strain during longer cleaning sessions. Equipped with 8 interchangeable brush heads, this scrubber handles a wide range of surfaces. The large flat brush is ideal for floors and walls, while the small flat brush works well on counters and sinks. A dome brush is designed for bathtubs and toilets, and the corner brush reaches tight spaces. Additional attachments like sponge, absorbent cloth, wool-like brush, and scouring pad extend its use to windows, leather, kitchen appliances, and more. The device features a powerful motor with strong torque output, ensuring effective removal of dirt and grime while maintaining low noise during operation. 2 adjustable speed modes allow you to switch between light and intensive cleaning as needed. A digital display provides real-time battery updates, keeping you informed throughout the cleaning process. With a working time of up to 120 minutes and a charging time of about 2 to 3 hours, it offers reliable performance for extended use. Its waterproof design supports safe operation in wet environments, making it suitable for daily cleaning tasks. Pros: long runtime, multiple brush options, adjustable handles. Cons: limited speed settings compared to some competitors. There you have it, our top 5 electric cleaning brushes that combine performance, convenience, and smart design to simplify your daily cleaning tasks. Each option offers unique features to suit different needs and budgets, helping you clean more effectively with less effort. Be sure to check the description for more details and choose the one that fits your home best.